The boys will try to hit a million K up on that YouTube best.
Alright boys. Holy fuck. Currently on our way to Courtney. We're like an hour out. We're buying a car.
We're just at Taco Bell.
Yeah.
It's a race against the clock right now because you already know we're gonna piss out our ass from that, but
that was my first ever experience with Taco Bell. I'm never gonna fucking go again.
it's wise.
That was disgusting, dude. I feel so chunned. We got KFC too, man. Like fuck.
Spent $40 on fucking KFC and Taco Bell, so
$40.
merch link in the description.
Yeah. Recuperate some funds, man.
Yeah. There it is, our ugly ass new JZX90. Just kidding.
I really don't care as long as you're not gonna get roasted.
Yeah, no, we won't. Buying a car
Decent.
from Aiden here, great guy.
What's up, man?
Yeah,
Boys,
on,
boys.
on.
Oh yeah, we got some stinks, real nice and good. Yeah. We're counting these out on camera, man? Are we showing them? People are gonna think we have money.
Yeah, fuck. I don't know.
Black Jitty. Cool service.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's just basically a factory 4AG.
factory GTS. Totally stock. Wow, big camera guy.
Big huge camera guy.
That looks good. Is that the like the box that it's in? Is that the Willwood box? Or is that one he machines too?
That's what he makes as well.
Okay.
Everything's tighter than the Willwood, but I think he uses the master now.
Yeah, it looks like.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah,
Willwood Master, just like the basic one.
Yeah.
I have yet to run the lines, but it's got dual calipers on the back, so it's all set up for it.
Let's see.
That fits really well. The only thing I had to do was just put like the rad on the opposite side of the support.
Yeah. Did you have to bash like the tunnel at all?
I wouldn't have if I didn't run a 6-speed, but that 6-speed is a huge transmission. I didn't realize how big it is, but it's big.
Well, right arm to that, eh?
New car day.
New car day, good day,
Great guys.
cool car,
Cool cars.
great guys. Any shout outs you wanna on the videos there?
Billet
Instagrams?
Performance shout out, man. Billet Performance Instagram. Get out there, man. Look them up. Canadian parts.
Right on, right on.
You have an Instagram you want to shout out?
Just Billet Performance, man. Solid bro.
Solid bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great
Decent.
milling.
Yeah.
You've seen some of the work here?
Quality.
Sean Pizza on Dem Beats.
The next day.
Got home late. But yeah, here's the car we bought. It's a hatch. Sylvia front end. We bought it from some subbies. Great guys, Aiden and Luke.
Unreal guys.
Really good guys.
Yeah, no
So
doubt.
yeah, they gave us a deal on this thing. So yeah, we pretty much bought this thing. Well, mainly, I saw it for sale and saw it at Bricks. Just trying to wince the bricks from Aiden. But then he offered us a deal on the whole car we couldn't refuse. So
No doubt.
fuck, here it is.
It's got some goodies.
Yeah.
Should we do a little rundown?
Yeah.
Quarter panels, disgusting.
Absolutely cocked. This one looks a lot better than the other side. There's probably
Yeah.
pound bond on there.
Some 180 tails.
Type X tails.
Big Chuchi boy exhaust.
Oh, here. HKS high power. It's the 4-inch. Yeah, 4-inch with the square flanges.
Yeah, that's worth a pretty penny, hey?
Yeah, no doubt. Rear valence. Skirtus.
Some Wang action.
Wangle.
What else? I'd say that's about it for the outside, eh?
It's got on the inside NRG, Defi gauges.
Pretty clean interior.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's got just water temp, oil pressure, wideband, HKS, EVC, boost controller, Nismo shift knob, NRG wheel. Not too bad, not too bad.
Let's look at the engine.
Pop the hood ski.
It's got coilovers, some rear arms, welded diff. Came with an open diff. And red top SR. Coil rad, big front mount.
HKS blow off valve.
As you saw, they shouted out their buddy. They don't want to shout themselves out. They shouted out their buddy. As you saw, that guy had the 86 coupe with the 1UZ in it. I think it was Z32 6-speed trans?
Yeah, I think so. I can't remember.
Or was it CDO 9 or whatever? I don't know. He had a 6-speed. That thing was crazy. 4-link. There was some crazy machine work by their buddy, who's local. So they gave us this hydro e-brake handle. This bolts up. He makes the like cage that bolts up to a Willwood kind of master cylinder. Yeah. He's Billet Performance MFG. We'll put his Instagram here. But yeah, he did some crazy. He did the adapter for the 1UZ to the guy's trans he was using. Did a bunch of other crazy mill work for him. So yeah, definitely hit that guy up if you want like a hydro e-brake or anything else milled.
Real nice quality.
Yeah.
Good piece, man.
Look at that.
Real nice.
And it's real taut too. You got the Willwood master on there.
Taut.
Just taut.
Yeah, big shout out to those guys.
Yeah, big shout out to those guys. Big shout out to Billet Performance MFG if you want any billet parts or anything. That's the guy. Does the dank work. And yeah, so the plans for this car, I'm taking the hood, the bumper, the bricks, coil rad, Defi gauges for my car. Noah's taking the SR and like front mount stuff. And then we're gonna sell all the other parts, put Noah's K back into this car, and then try to sell this car.
Yeah, so we're selling a Sylvia front end, putting pop-ups on it, throw my KA in it. And then
We don't want to waste, like, obviously this thing's beat as fuck, but we don't want to waste a hatch because someone will track, or don't want to waste an S13 because someone will track this thing.
yeah.
So gonna try to put it together so someone can drive it and shell it.
Yeah, dude.
So yeah, there you go. We're gonna be doing lots of contents on this, tearing it apart, putting a K in it, putting this SR in Noah's car. So yeah, stay tuned for all that. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks again to Aiden and Luke. Great guys, cool cars. And yeah,
Well, decent, man.
like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to this video.
Yeah.
Otherwise, fucking eat a cack. I don't know.
Pretty off, eh?
Yeah, pretty off.
The boys will try to hit a million K up on their YouTube.